Hey, so this is probably the most interesting place I've seen so far. First of all, check out the setting. And it is technically a paved road up here. It's not in the greatest shape, but it's drivable. And I'll get right out of the way with the downsides. There's no garage and no basement per se. There's 2 floors, both finished, both above ground. So random lights. I don't even know where the switch is for them or if they work. So you come in here, closet, that way it goes to rooms. Here's a foyer, rock wall. It's real. Spiral staircase. Fireplace. What is that in the center? I'm just not noticing that. I guess you put a painting there? Another one of those lights is missing from there. There's cove lighting all in this. What does this do? Maybe out here. So there's a screen porch out here. It appears to be a 3-season porch. Nothing, yeah, it's literally just screen. There. That's kind of cool. Kitchen. Has another skylight. I did show the skylight in here, right? Sink. What in the world? Possibly for plants. Trash compactor. New fridge. Old oven. New countertop range or whatever they're called. New dishwasher. Old fridge. So if you go this way, so where's your, that's your kitchen lighting. You go this way. This is the same way we came in. More cove lighting, although I don't think, yeah, there it is, but does it work? I don't even know where the bathroom here with a walk-in shower, vanity. Here's where it gets really interesting. All the cove lights are on dimmers, which is probably why they don't work. So you've got a little walk-in area there. This room. Another skylight. This is a whole kind of walk-through closet area. That's on the other side of this room, which is a bedroom. Here's where your laundry room is. What is this? Oh, pull-out ironing board. Washer, dryer. And then a whole nother room back here that is as big as the living room. None of the lights in here work. This is where that blue wall is. Anything back here? No. So the good news is that this is your master bedroom. It's way set off from everything else. But then the question is, I'm going to turn off lights as I go. What do you do? So are you even supposed to walk through here? Because this is a hanger bar here. Is this how you get through here with that narrow? No. You get through right here. So you walk in here. That's your way to the laundry room and other bedroom. That. Interesting. So let's go to the, oh, did we see there's a second bathroom here. Another kind of built-in, very much the same design as the first one. Okay, let's go downstairs. Anything interesting here? No, just pantry space. Lots of closet space. The only stairwell is spiral, which I think might be the biggest deal breaker, because how do you get furniture and things down here? You go from the outside, I guess. But, oh yeah, there's a clear path. This is probably the smallest bedroom. I've got cove lighting here. It's a very interesting design. It looks like there was originally some there and they took it down, because you see those wires. Little kitchenette down here. Somebody could live down here separately. Bigger room. More cove lighting. Any of them work? That side works. The kitchenette. Did I look in here? Okay, small bathroom. Another built-in shower. What's here? Closet. A light there that does not even have a bulb in it. Boiler room. Water heater. I'm wondering, where's the pump for the central vac? Is that it? Yeah, so this theoretically could be a music room. And this could be Abby's room. But we would then have no garage and no basement. Okay, let me do one more once over and I'll stop filming. It's a really cool space. Wonder what was there. Is the breaker off for that bedroom? Nothing's tripped. Okay, well, that's everything to show.